Hello, and welcome to a very special edition of the Mapro Masterclass, because today we're going to be looking at a typical day for the Mapro team. Come closer. We need to be quiet as we watch these fascinating creatures adapting to the challenges of their environment and excelling in their natural habitat.
And so our journey into the jungle of the Algarve's premium property market had begun. Quickly, our expedition would yield unexpected treasures. Here at Mapro, we discovered a new breed of real estate agent, Mapronus excelsus. We soon found that this particular tribe seemed to have developed superior communication skills. We also learned they kept a watchful eye and a keen ear on their surroundings. Oh, nearly spotted. For now, we would have to retreat back to the safety of the undergrowth. On our return, we were able to move close enough to observe a member of the tribe using rudimentary tools to mark out some simple language. For sale. What, if anything, could it mean? The very next day, we would discover the answer. As we watched another specimen going about his business, we saw that these elaborate designs were used to mark out their territory as special. The writing was, quite literally, on the wall. It seemed intended to attract members from other tribes. Very quickly we see results. Notice the keen eye contact, showing no fear as the trade is made. After only a few days living among them, these magnificent creatures had accepted me into their tribe. One thing was for sure, here at Mapro, we would always be sure of the very warmest of welcomes.
Thank you for watching this special edition of the Mapro Masterclass, and we look forward to meeting you here.